Let's start our few more numericals from the topic light reflection and refraction. Again, I'm taking this time the numericals related to convex mirror. So let's start our first question. Statement I'll be posting with this video. Okay, so please. An arrow 2.5 centimeter high. The height of the object. Here the object is arrow. An arrow 2.5 centimeter high. So H1 is 2.5 centimeter is placed at a distance of 25 centimeter. Arrow is placed at a distance of 25 centimeter. Therefore, u is equals to minus 25. You know, object is always on the left hand side of the mirror. So that is why always object distance will be negative. Minus 25. Acha, why we have not taken height of the arrow as negative? Because object is always placed above principal axis. So that is why all the distances above principal axis will be positive and below principal axis will be negative. So then 25 cent from a diverging mirror. Diverging mirror, you know very well, that is a convex mirror. And in case of convex mirror, just try to relate it with the table. The images are formed always on the right hand side of the mirror, that is behind the mirror. So in this case, focal length will be positive. So I have not put a minus sign with focal length, that is f is equals to 20 centimeter. We need to find the nature, position and size of the image formed. Children, apply the mirror formula. 1 upon v is equals to 1 upon f minus 1 upon u, because this u will go that side. And now put the value of this. Children, if you want to do the numericals properly without any mistake, first please put the brackets, put the values and then try to calculate. Do not directly put a plus sign here and then try to solve. That always will create a trouble for you later on. So I removed it, then there was a plus sign when I removed. I got it like this. 1 upon 20 plus 1 upon 25. Why is it so? Because this is the minus sign. When I open the bracket, this minus will be converted to positive. That is that. Now the LCM of 20 and 25 centimeter, 100. 20, 5 is 100. 5 plus 4, 90 upon 100 is 1 upon V. So V is equal to 100 upon 9, that is 11.1 centimeter. As the image is formed, there is no negative sign here with V. That means image is on the right hand side. And also they have told us that the diverging mirror. So definitely children, it has to be a virtual and erect image. So the nature of the image is virtual and erect. From where have you come to know? From V also, and as it was told in the question that it's a diverging mirror, from that part also. Now we need to find out the height. For height we know magnification formula, h2 upon h1 is equals to minus v upon u. h2 we need to find out, h1 we know 2.5 centimeter. Again minus sign has to be here. Value of v is 11.1, value of u is minus 25 centimeter. So again I have put the bracket here to make it more clear. When I open the bracket, I will get 11.15 plus upon this 25 minus will be converted to positive. 2.5 will go that side into 2.5, that is 1.15 centimeter. That is the size of the image. Now you can see, you know the table in case of convex mirror, images formed are always diminished. See, the height of the object was 2.5 centimeter, height of the image is 1.11 centimeter. See the difference. So from it, we clear that the size of the image is diminished. See how we relate the table with our numericals. Now question number 2. Here we little complicated, like the statement only. The question is easy, but the statement you need to understand. The image formed by a convex mirror of focal length 20 centimeter, focal length 20 centimeter, again convex mirror, positive focal length, is a quarter of the object. That means whatever is the size of the object, image size is formed by a convex mirror is a quarter of the object. Yes, that is a quarter of the object. h2 upon h1 minus v upon u is equals to 1/4. They have told us that the size, the ratio of the size of the object and the image is 1/4 of the object. Quarter of the object. When I solve this, I get v is equals to minus 4u. How? You see this children, take minus 4v, v is equals to u, or v is equals to, then you take that side and remove the minus sign from here, you will get v is equals to minus 4 upon u. So I have the value of f, I have the value of v, I can find out the value of u which we were asked to find out. 1 upon v plus 1 upon u 1 upon f, my 1 upon v का value minus 4 upon u plus 1 upon u is equals to 1 upon 20. Or when I solve this, I got u as common, u LCM I have taken, minus 3 is equals to 1 upon 20, u is equals to minus 60. Object always, you see the answer of the object is negative sign here. This negative sign tells us that the object is always on the left hand side of the mirror. Now let's start with question number 3. An object is placed 15 centimeter, u 15 centimeter from a convex mirror of radius of curvature 90 centimeter. Calculate the position of the image and its magnification. Need not to find the height of the image, we only need to find out the magnification. So these two things we need to find out. We know the value of radius of curvature, from that we can find out the focal length. So focal length we got, as they have already told, convex mirror, so that is why f is positive, 45 centimeter. I have taken it as positive only. Mirror formula, 1 upon v का value we need to find out. I have taken 1 upon u that side, so that is why there is minus 1 upon 45 minus 1 upon 15. When we open the bracket, I got it positive. 45 is the LCM, 1 plus 3 that is 4 upon 45, or v is equals to 45 upon 4, that is 11.25 centimeter when you solve it. Now the magnification, we know that m is equals to minus v upon u. V positive because it's a convex mirror. Put a bracket again here. With v I have not put any negative sign, but with value of u I have put a negative sign. When we open the bracket, minus minus will be cancelled. We'll get 11.25 upon 15, that is equals to 0.75. Magnification of this mirror is 0.75. One last question, children. An object is placed 18 centimeter in front of a spherical mirror. Now, object always negative, object distance 18 centimeter. If the image is formed 4 centimeter to the right hand side of the mirror, 4 centimeter towards the right hand side, definitely from this you need to keep this thing in your mind. If V is formed on the right hand side, that is why it is a diverging mirror, that is a convex mirror. V 4 centimeter, positive only because on the right hand side, focal length we need to find out, nature of the image and radius of curvature of the mirror we need to find out. Mirror formula, 1 upon 4 plus minus, again we'll open the bracket, I'll get minus 1 upon f. 4 and 8 LCM I have taken 36, 9 minus 2 that is 7 upon 36 is equal to 1 upon f is equal to 36 upon 7, that is equal to 5.14 centimeter. Since the f is positive and its beginning image is formed on the right hand side of the mirror, still we do not know, let us find out the focal length is positive, so that is why the mirror is convex. Question is asked, mirror is concave or convex? Mirror is convex nature. R is equals to radius of curvature, here we need to find out. Radius of curvature is equals to twice of focal length. Focal length we got 5.14. So 2 into 5.14, that is equals to 10.28 centimeter is the radius of curvature of the mirror. Now children, I think for mirror this is enough. Next time I am going to start the numericals related to the lenses. Thank you. Do these questions in your fair copies.